In this video, we'll show you how to use forms as a lead router based on zip code or interest. This method can help you direct your leads to the right place, saving time and improving the chances of conversion. If you're struggling to manage leads efficiently or want to better target your audience based on location or interest, stick around. This tutorial will help you set it up in just a few minutes. Plus, I'll be sharing an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using, available only to my viewers. Now let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is set up your lead capture form. Whether it's a contact form or a sign-up form on your site, the goal is to collect the necessary information for routing. In this case, we're focusing on zip codes or specific interests. Most forms will let you customize the fields, so you can add a zip code field or an interest drop-down. Once you've got your form set up, the next step is to create the logic that will actually route your leads. The easiest way to do this is through conditional logic. What you're doing here is setting up rules for how leads should be directed based on the values they select in the form. For example, if someone selects a zip code in a specific area, you can automatically route them to a regional sales team or a particular product offering. The key here is understanding how your software handles this routing. Some platforms allow you to create different workflows based on the user's input, whether it's a zip code or an interest selection. For example, with this software, you can set up a rule like, if the zip code is 1001, route the lead to the East Coast team, or if the interest is fitness, route the lead to the fitness product page. As you set up these rules, don't forget to test them. You want to make sure that your leads are being routed correctly before going live. This is where you can get creative. Maybe you want to create different follow-up emails based on the zip code or interest, or you want to send them to a specific landing page with content tailored to their preferences. The more specific you get, the more likely you are to convert that lead into a customer. Now, if you're using our recommended software, you'll get access to some powerful features to set this up in a snap. You can easily map out your routing rules with a simple drag and drop interface. Plus, you can set up multiple routes, so your leads will always go to the right place. At this point, you're almost done. The final step is to monitor how well your forms are performing. Keep track of how many leads are coming through each route, and use that data to adjust your approach as needed. The better you understand which routes are most effective, the more you can optimize for higher conversions. Key takeaway: using forms as a lead router based on zip code or interest helps you direct your leads efficiently, ensuring they go to the right team or landing page. Don't forget to customize your form, set up conditional logic, test your rules, and monitor your performance to maximize conversions. Before you go, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial linked below in the description. It's only available to my viewers, and it's a great way to follow along and set up your own lead routing system. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.